Hi everyone, my name is Cornelius and welcome to Clueless Realtor, where we help realtors succeed. In today's video, my wife Nancy is going to show you how to make a YouTube watermark for your real estate channel. As a realtor, this is very important to help brand your channel, and it will help increase your subscriber count. So make sure to watch all the way to the end. If this is your first time visiting our YouTube channel, subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you can be the first to be notified of any new videos that we post. Now, let's have Nancy take it over from here.
So here we are on Canva, and before I show you how to create a branding watermark for your real estate YouTube channel, let's head over to Cornelius' channel and I will show you exactly what a branding watermark looks like for any confusion. So let's say we take a look at this video here, right? When you click on the video, you're going to see this little box right here. And when people hover on top of the box, this is the branded image. And this is put in all of your videos on your YouTube channel. And when viewers are watching your video, they could actually click here and subscribe to your channel without leaving the video, without having to stop the video, without having to go back to your home page. And this is really great because it's really going to help you increase your followers. So you could have it in any color you want. Some people put their logo. I personally have it on my channel and also on Cornelius' channel with the words subscribe here. Why? Because sometimes people might see the logo and not really realize that if they were to hover on top of it and click on it, they could actually subscribe. But if you actually have the word subscribe here, it's almost like a call to action. You're telling the reader what type of action you want them to take. And it might be an easy one just to put the words. That way people could actually know, oh, I can subscribe there and then click and earn you more followers. So let's head over to Canva to go ahead and create one. Now, keep in mind, we are using Canva Pro, which is the paid version. If you don't have Canva, we highly recommend doing so, joining Canva. You could use our referral link and you get 30 days for free to try it out. They are amazing. They have a lot of tools as a realtor that you could use, not only for your YouTube channel, but for your social media, blog, or website. So make sure that you find the link right below this video. So one of the requirements for creating your branding watermark is that it has to be 100 by 150 by 150 pixels, no bigger than that. It has to be less than 1 megabyte, and the watermark should be transparent. So I'm going to show you how to create one. So all you're going to do is when you are in Canva, you're going to create a design and you're going to choose 150 by 150, right? Because that's the requirements. So here is your branding watermark. We're going to start doing one. Now, I do recommend using your branding colors. So for Cornelius, he has the yellow because that's one of his branding colors. So make sure that you pick a branding color that goes with your brand. So I'm going to use this blue one here. And then what you want to do is add text right on top. So I recommend to stay away from fonts that are cursive because they're harder to read. Something like this or like this would work really, really well. So something bold that will stand out. So this is actually a good font here. So I will put subscribe. And then I will make this a little bit smaller. Let's make it 18. All right. And then I would create another one of these, add the text, and then I will put the word here. Now this one, because it's on the bottom, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. It's going to look exactly like the one that we currently have in our channel. Oops, that's too big. So let's do 50 and see how it looks. Subscribe here. It's a little bit too big. So let's make it 40. You might have to play with it. So 40 seems to be a good fit. And then you can make this a little bigger if you wanted to, 20, as long as it's not getting cut off at the corners, at the edge. Perfect. So this actually looks pretty good. And you could actually just change the font, if the color of the font, if you wanted to. This would look good in white as well. It does stand out. So as long as it looks good. So this could be one example of a subscribe here that you could add as a branding watermark. Now, if you wanted to do something a little bit different, you can. You could, some people put like the YouTube logo. So you could look up the YouTube logo on their elements. And if you say YouTube, type in YouTube, you get all of this. Some people do this. They put the logo on top. So they have subscribe here, and then they have the little YouTube play button. You could do this as well if you wanted to. This is just a fun way to do something different than what we have. And then you could, put your logo if you want. So let's do a logo one to kind of give you an idea. You could put your actual logo if you wanted to. So here is our logo. You could do this also. You could have the logo and the words subscribe here. This is another option. That actually looks pretty good. We might end up changing it to that. Or some people just use the logo by itself. So you could just use the logo, like let's say we wanted to use this by itself. So I will delete this. I will make this black because that's our other branding color. And I will go ahead and make this to fit the screen. So you could have it like this too, and you could have your logo. So it just depends on what you want. You could just have the simple words. You could have it this way. You could have your logo on the top. You could do it this way. You could put your picture. You could be as creative as you want. I personally like it with the actual wording only because I want people to know that they could actually click there versus like this, they might not know. However, you could play around with it, test it out, and see what works better for you. Now, let's say once you're ready and you're happy with the results, let's say you wanted to use this one right here. All you're going to do is click on download, PNG, and you're going to click on transparent background because keep in mind you have to have it transparent. And then you go ahead and select the one that you're going to download. We're going to do number 4 and just download it. And then all you're going to do is go to your settings on your YouTube channel and upload this. So let's go to YouTube now and I will show you where to find it. All right, so here we are. I'm actually on my channel. So when you're ready to actually upload your branded watermark, all you're going to do is click on settings. You're going to go to channel and then you're going to go to branding. And this is mine. Mine is in pink. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to replace it and you're just going to upload it to your channel. So mine is subscribe is right here. You're going to open it. It's going to place it right there. What I recommend is having the branded logo through your entire video. Don't put custom start or end of video. Just keep it all the way through. That will help you increase your followers. And then once you're done, you click save and it will automatically save on your videos. But this is how simple it is to create a branding watermark for your real estate YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions about growing a YouTube channel for your real estate business, let us know. I personally have been able to grow mine to over 35,000 members. So I have an experience of using YouTube. So let us know and we'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. And thank you guys for watching.